Ooh, wow, it's 2-in-1. It's so soft. You see the way they protect this one, the way they package it. So decorate my kitchen with this. I want to put this in my kitchen. They are so long. Hey gorgeous, welcome back. Hope you guys are doing great. Gorgeous, welcome to my channel. If it's your first time here, you are welcome. It's long I said this. If this is your first time here, gorgeous, thank you for tuning in. You're welcome. Before you even start, if you like it here, you know what to do. Click on that subscribe button, and if you like this video, why not support your girl by clicking on that like button. Thank you so much for doing that. So in today's video, I have a lot of things to share with you guys. They are from SHEIN. SHEIN, thank you so much for sponsoring this video. We always appreciate everything I have here. They are for decoration. Okay, things to decorate your kitchen, your living room, your walkway, whatever. I have them here. This video is going to be a little bit long. Just grab your popcorn, your ice cream, it's cold now, your ice cream or whatever, and let's get into it because it's going to be long. I prefer to tell you guys now, but you're going to enjoy it. That is the most interesting part of it. It's going to be fun. You're going to enjoy it because you're going to like everything. If you like an item or even all, their link will be on the description. And also, if you haven't downloaded SHEIN app, download it so that you can start enjoying the things we enjoy. Okay. On the description box, I'm going to put the link, the direct link to each of the items. So the first one came inside this box. One thing I like with SHEIN, the way they protect their items. You can never receive their item damaged because they take their time to protect them. If it is glass, anything that is breakable, even if it is not breakable, they take their time to protect the thing. The way they package it, you will receive it intact. Okay, that is said. So look at this one. This is what I'm talking about. You see the way they protect this one, the way they package it. So I so much love this thing. I want to share with you guys. I so much love it. If I tell you, I'm thinking of how I'm going to use this to decorate my living room. It's a glass, okay, with a gold touch. I wanted to get 2 of these. I don't know why I took only one. You can see it is so beautiful. It's like I'm going back to get another one of these. I love it. Moving on to this next item, their candle came in 3. Look at 2 and 3. So the 3 is not of the same size, and also it came with a remote control that you can use. Okay, I'm supposed to display this for you guys, but I don't know whether it uses battery. This is the remote, and this is it. It's candle light. It's artificial candle light. It's like you need to put batteries. Okay, you need to put batteries here, and I don't have batteries now. So you use this to control it. I think it changes color, or no? Okay, there's 2 hours, 4 hours, 6 hours, just as you want. The light, the brightness in the remote control. So these are the sizes that. Let me show you guys how this is. I said this video is going to be long because I have a lot of things to share with you guys, and I don't know if I should split it into 2, part 1 and part 2, or I should just show you guys everything in one video. Let's see. If it is too long, I will split it into 2 so that it will be more easier. Okay, this is it. It has the bigger size. This is the bigger size, the medium and the small. I really like them because they look so real. You don't know that they are just artificial something. They look so real. When you're saying it, you think it's real candle. It's lovely. We are moving on to this. I don't know what it is. Okay, I think it's a flower. Okay, it's for flower. Yeah, you just put your flowers in here. This is so cute. I don't know if you guys are seeing the detail. Let me stand up. Yes, can you guys see it? Okay, this is it. You can see the form of it. It's so lovely, so lovely. Maybe I will stand up to do this. Let me stand up. It's better than sitting down. Okay, you see a bag is full here that I still want to share with you guys. So this is the detail. You see it. You just put your roses here, your flower, whatever you want to keep in. It has to. You see, the design of this one is different. So cute. I can't wait to decorate my kitchen with this. I want to put this in my kitchen. They are so lovely. I really like them. Look at the under. They are beautiful. So the link will be on the description in case if you are interested. Okay guys, the next item is this thing. I've opened it but I cannot figure it out what it is. Maybe I'm going to see. It's like this. You guys can see it. What is this? What is this? I can't really figure it out. I can't figure it out what it is. It's for decoration, I think so. But I can't figure it out. Okay? I'm going to check to see how it is on the website. So guys, the next item are these slippers. See? They are so cute. I just saw them. I think they are so cute. What's written on it? I did not even know what. Bride. Oh, I did not even see it. I did not even see what is written on it. I just like it and I got them. So if you're a bride to be, you want to do your bridal shower or whatever, or your wedding day, you can wear this. Okay, they are so beautiful. But I'm going to wear them at home. I'm a bride. Anyway, I'm going to wear this at home. They are so cute, so cute, and they are not expensive. For the quality, they are not expensive. So cute to wear. It's written bride. So if you are bride to be, you're watching this, go and get this. They are so beautiful, so beautiful. Okay, let's move on. Next one is this pillow cloth. The pillow cover they call it. This throw pillow they put in a chair. Let me bring it out. Oh, okay. Oh, this is so cool. Wow, it's 2-in-1. It's so soft. You see the size. I think I took what's the size I took? I forgot the size anyway, but I'm going to put it on the description. Look at it. Look at the design. It's 2-in-1. I like the black and white design. It's so beautiful and it's so cool. I think I took some other ones too. Let me bring those ones out. I took this one. Since winter is by the size 2-in-1 too. Look at this. I think I want to use this for my bed. Put it in the pillows on my bed. See, it's so. Can you guys see the design? Let me bring it. Wait. Okay, look at the design. You can see it. And it's so warm, so cool in your hand. So soft. I love this. Then I took another one too in another color. It's the same thing, but I think I don't really like this color, but it's not bad. It's okay. It's kind of creamy. Look, it's the same design. Okay, same design. You see it? It's creamy. It's 2-in-1. Came in 2 as well. Same thing but different color. This is off-white or cream. I should say cream rather, not off-white. Guys, next are these. They are so helpful. If you want to, you don't need to nail your wall. You just peel this from the back, stick it to wherever you want to hang anything. You can hang your towel, you can hang whatever you want to hang, even your kitchen serviettes or whatever. You can just hang them inside. Look at it. Look at the way it is. You guys can see it. okay, and it has a sticker at the back. You just peel this off and you stick it to whatever you want to stick it to, wherever. Then you hang whatever you want to hang inside. The next item is this that looks like a mirror. It's a design. Look at the picture here. Actually, how it looks on the website. So it's kind of a design, decorative, whatever. I was thinking it's a mirror, but it's not. It has smaller sizes. It has bigger disc here. Okay, this is how it looks. Let me show you. I don't know. I'm going to put the picture so that you guys will see the way it looks on the website. So that's how you should put it on your wall. Okay, it should be, this goes to the wall. You can put it on your wall. Okay, I think I'm going to put this on my baby's room, my son's room, or I'm going to put it somewhere in the kitchen. I don't know yet. So next are these decorative flowers for your table when you have visitors. You are having visitors, you're organizing anything, maybe a dinner or lunch. You just use this to decorate your table, flower for table. It's lovely. When you have visitors, you just use this to decorate your table. You understand, before putting your dishes and whatever. Yeah, the flower, look at the way it is on the website. I really love them. That is it for this one, is to decorate your table. When you love that. The book, you know, these decorative books. This one is written London. So yeah, it's not the last thing. I said the last. No, it's all those decorative books, okay? You put in your living room or whatever, wherever you want to put them. Then the last one I want to share with you guys is a light. With these lights, you don't need to go to a disco hall or whatever. I plugged this and my baby was so happy. Even myself, I'm messy. Even myself, I'm so happy to I was like, wow, this is so cool. So I'm going to on it, then I will show you guys the way it is. Alright, that will be the last. So I will, in case if you're interested in all these items, their links will be on the description box, so don't hesitate to check it out. So before you go, if you haven't subscribed, please hit on that subscribe button, join the gorgeous family, and that bell icon if you like this video. Guys, next are these here. Oh, for your toilet. Oh, open this alone. See this. Oh, smells so good. Oh, I don't know. It's like you use this to push it out. I don't know how they do this. I'm going to figure it out. Maybe you open this and you put this inside so that I can be dropping one by one, because I bought how many? Two different. They have vanilla, they have citron, lemon, strawberry, different smell. Okay, and I think the ones I took citron and lemon, I took strawberry, I took vanilla, I can't really remember. These are they. Okay, for toilets, I think for toilets, me personally, I bought it for toilet. I took them for toilet, for my toilet, and this is it. 5 of these still came with it. I have 2 more inside, and they smell so well. They smell so well. I love when you enter my toilet, smell good, and these they smell so good, so good. I will see you guys in my next one. Just wanna feel your touch.